It's always good to run your generator. You need to run it under load, really. Make it work for a little bit every month. And you keep stabilizer in your fuel. If you don't, you're going to ruin your carburetor. It's barely going to get it. Okay, that's where they cut it. Put that new water pump in. Got a door on that side, wasn't enough room to work. So I'll get this sealed up. Hey everybody, Campervan Kevin here. How are y'all doing today? Me? I'm doing pretty good. Just got back from the mailbox. Got several things in today. Do you remember the water pump that I put on in Albuquerque? That I had put on? Cut a big old hole. Got a cover to fix that. Got a rack for the Honda Monkey. And new windshield. A few things. Don't do what?
Don't forget the butt crack belt.
Oh, the butt crack belt.
Yeah, that's still tied.
You're gonna have to film this for me. I'll show everybody the.
Where I'm at.
Other side.
That's the
To hide the butt crack.
butt crack hider.
It also.
All riders should get that.
It also will help me protecting my other kidney.
Oh, okay.
When I'm bouncing around, it's a kidney belt. So
okay.
I need to wear it to keep all my innards in the right place.
Okay. I thought it was a butt crack belt,
Well, these are 38s and they're loose, man. They're falling off of me.
By experience, because you don't want an old Christian couple behind you and you're going up a hill and they're looking at the butt crack for 6 miles.
I'll be going so fast on that monkey.
Well,
nobody can see my butt crack.
I wish it was, because the speed limit is 45 and they're going to be behind you and you're going to, it's going to be hard. I'm just looking out for the people that are going to be behind you. I wouldn't like to be behind you.
I personally, I can't talk about everybody else. Me personally, I've seen more butt crack in the last 7 years than I ever saw in my entire life.
Oh.
Even though there was like a 5-year interruption.
Intermission.
I still have seen more butt crack that I'd rather have not seen.
Really?
Just saying.
I don't remember any.
You're probably cutting my head off. I think.
No, I got you. I don't remember any indecent proposals like that.
It's because I was polite.
Oh, you was?
I was polite.
Oh. But it doesn't include my that's why I got glasses now.
Right.
Because, I used to have.
I thought the glasses came for too much alone time.
I used to have 22 vision. I don't know what the
all right.
Coca-Cola bottle tops.
People are tired of us already.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm gonna get that. Well, I'll show people what I got.
Oh. What, the butt crack?
Well,
I'll film that and I'll show them on my video. Just the hazards of riding a motorcycle.
Everybody be careful who you hand your camera off to.
Oh, okay. All righty. Just trying to be, helpful.
Thanks to my thanks to my wonderful videographer here.
Credit Ernie. He told me about it, and I I don't know. I'm gonna confront him.
I think it's gonna be from here down is what you got.
Skinny?
Yeah. Well, you can miss the waddle, but from here down.
Well, that's why I got better knees than you.
That's right. All right, let's get this going. Man, that monkey is kind of fun with the rack It looks like a toy.
It's like a car seat.
I like toys. I got a bunch of stuff in today. I ordered their dog food from Chewy. I've been going to Tractor Supply and getting it, but Chewy will deliver the same chicken and rice to my door for the same price. They've already opened this up. This has to be the world's tiniest.
That's what.
Right. I don't know what will fit on here. An umbrella?
MaeMae.
MaeMae? I think it's too little. I think you're right. That itty bitty? Maybe I'll put a little platform or something on it.
Well, it also could be a butt crack hider too. You can put a little box on top and it just
Hide the butt crack from the back.
Yeah. You know, because once you're driving, I don't know how See, in
Right. Well, the shirt does what?
It starts going off. So
Yeah, I think I got it.
It's dangerous.
I think I got it. I'm gonna do like a stop motion in the film right there, maybe. All right. So anyway, there's the little rack, and I got a new shield for my motorcycle helmet. So I'll put that on today. Yep. And I also ordered a motorcycle cover for the Funky Monkey. Yeah, I got camo. Of course, anytime I want to do anything outside, it starts to rain. That's not a problem. Also, I got a we call these porthole covers to fix that round hole that we had to make to put the new water pump in, Lady Bigfoot. So I got a couple little projects I want to do today. Yep. So there's the cover back, there's the hole back there that this cover will cover. Well, I was going to try to put the rack on up here with you, Felix, but I believe I'm going to go down to the shop. It's starting to rain.
All right.
So,
You gonna take them down there?
yeah, come on, babies. Let's go. Y'all go hunting. Come on. Come on down if you want. Let's see if we can make them line up and race each other like we always do. Okay, baby MaeMae. Okay, Martini. Tuck. Stay. Stay. Ready, set, go. Go get him.
Tuck is he's trying to run fast, but he looks in slow motion.
Yeah, he can't move. Baby MaeMae outruns them both.
Yeah.
But took Tucker to the vet yesterday, having his blood work done, checking his thyroid to see if maybe it's off. I don't understand the weight gain. Be hearing about the results, probably a video or two. Don't have them yet. So this is the monkey So this is the Funky Monkey's home for right now. I will start keeping it in the Lady Bigfoot garage as soon as I get my wheel chock in. And probably when I travel, that's where I keep it. While I'm here, it's just as easy to roll it down in the shop. Miss America is sold. What a wonderful bike it is. I got to give it a bath. The guy that bought it, he's from Florida, and he just has got shipping for it. And it'll be about another week or so, it'll be picked up. So, fantastic bike. No regrets. No regrets owning it. 3,000 miles. I think I put on about 1,400 miles on it. But I'm going to give it a bath and get it ready for shipment. My solar's still here. My buddy, Craig, that's helping me with it, or actually doing this part of it, he's had surgery and he's not feeling very well. So this is kind of on the back burner for right now. All the stuff on this board has got to be reversed because I'm putting the batteries opposite of what I intended on doing. So I don't have to have it right now, but I can't wait to get it in, all in due time. You seen any chipmunks, Dad? I smell chipmunks. Well, y'all got one the other day, didn't you? He was kind of slow. I heard that. That's probably why you got him in the first place. All right, get this rack on this little monkey. It's the Funky Monkey. I'm going to chill out here on your mattress for the Woof Woof wagon. It's nice and comfy. Great. Dad? Yeah, Tucker. I thought you said you were not going to modify the Funky Monkey. You're just going to keep it stock while it's under warranty. Well, I got to do a few things to it. Tuck. After riding it, I need some storage. I did put my phone mount on here. These shocks are fine for the street, but I've got some. These are for like a 150-pound rider, and needless to say, I'm over 150 pounds. So I've got some chrome shocks from a place called Man in the Box. I thought they'd be in today, and I could do the rack and this together, but they're not here. So I think I'll leave it alone at that point. It's always good to follow the instructions. Felix, can you read Taiwanese?
No.
Well, I'm going to have to look at the pictures then.
It should. It has no more?
No English.
Really?
You get it figured out. We don't need no stinking instructions anyway. Got to take the seat off. Got to take top two nuts off the shocks. So I got to get these two out. Okay, got both sides off. So I got the seat off. Next thing to do, loosen these acorn nuts on the top of the shock tower mount. Is that the right word? Okay, I slid the little rack, put this lip up under this back of the frame, like so. Got some holes here that they gave me some bolts that came with the kit, so I get it all tightened back up. Easy peasy. This came with a kit to fit here and here. No, there's 6 here. Okay, so tighten these down. Easy peasy, anybody could do this. Just a simple little rack install. Okay, those are tight. All I got to do is put back on these acorn nuts here on the shocks and put the seat back on. Well, there it is. Got everything tightened up. Got the little funky monkey seat back on it. You know, it matches the size and the shape of the bike. But I'm really curious what would fit there. If nothing else, make a good grab handle to pick it up if I get in the mud or stuck or whatever. Yeah, I wish that rack was bigger, but that's what we got. Maybe I'll put like a normal motorcycle tail bag on it, build a little wood frame and make it bigger, and then get a tail bag and mount on top of that. It's the only way I can see to make good use of it. I did see pictures of the rack mounted on the bikes before I ordered, and it looked small then. Just real small in person. It'll work. I won't be able to put anything like this on it though. This has been the handiest little rack. I got this off of eBay. You know, nobody wants to ride around with a full-size milk carton on their motorcycle, right? It just doesn't look cool. Check that bad boy out. It's got little things here you can slide to get it tight. There you go. You get the idea. Well, we're this far into it. Let's go ahead and do it. Felix burped. I lost my concentration. Isn't that handy? I got that on eBay. I'll let it go with the bike because it fits so well, and it won't fit on the funky monkey. My friend here, he's got several motorcycles. He's got a KLR and some other things sitting in here, and I remember seeing this tank bag sitting on the shelf.
How about the rain thing?
It was thunder.
Yeah,
Sounded like thunder over here.
Yeah.
Man, well, it wasn't thunder. He farted. Tucker, I'm making a video.
I don't know. There's a lot of stuff in here.
I think it fits. I think it fits pretty good. But what I was thinking is maybe getting a tail bag about that size and getting that to attach. Well, that's just the right size for the tail bag. Make a few little modifications. Y'all think that looks good? I think that looks good. Need room to store something. Well, here are my 2 bikes together. This will probably be shipping in the next week. So I'll get back up to the house, put my shield on my helmet, and get that porthole in. I had a viewer ask me, he said, Kevin, what's wrong with the top of your head? You got a dent in it? Well, that's where my CPAP mask rides. Sits there every night. So I may have a dent in my head, I may have a dent in my hair. That's okay, I'm so tall. You ain't gonna see it when you're standing beside me. It'll be all right.
You can call him Egghead. Batman.
I think a lot of these shields, the helmet was just a couple $100, which is pretty reasonable for such a quality helmet, the HJC. Where they get you, what are you doing, Dad? Yeah, what is he doing? Oh, shoes. Even online, this shield here, replacement shield, was $27, $28, around $30 with shipping. So, looks a little too small. Maybe it's because it got the writing on it. This is a IS Max 2 helmet. Great helmet. I also have a mount to put the GoPro up here, like so. Then you look like the Martian from Bugs Bunny. Putting these shields on. Putting these shields on couldn't be easier if you tried. Nothing like a new shield for your helmet. You know, we all have our things, right? I really enjoy like cell phone protection and glass protection. Pulling this stuff off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Well, almost all the projects are done for the day. Got the rack on the Honda Monkey. Got the windshield. No, the helmet visor. No. Helmet screen. In on my helmet. Now I'll put this porthole over this hole here that we had to cut to put the water pump in. Got to move this generator and a few things out of the way first. I just keep this as a backup. You never know. Be a good excuse to run it. You know, the new fuels start going bad after 3 weeks. But I do have turn the choke on. But I do have stabilizer on it. See what we can do with it. I can crank it one-handed. There you go. It may not power my rooftop air conditioner, but it will power that mini split easily. So here's the hole you had to cut, put the new water pump in. But the reason this Bigfoot can go minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit is because the way it's sealed under here. I don't want to lose that. Perfect. There we go. That seals the deal. What say you? Prettier than that old ugly hole. Yep. Got a little exercise. Okay, well, that makes today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Every video's got to end somewhere, and this one ends where? Right here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Hey, We'll see you again soon. You guys take care. And as always, I give God the glory for my life. Jesus Christ, He's my Savior. All right, gotta run, gotta go. Bye.